Hello friends, welcome back to Chemistry Tute. And today I am here to discuss various strategies which we can apply to enhance our marks in the upcoming semester 2 examination for ICSE, which are scheduled for the month of March or the first week of April somewhere this year. But before that, let's Chemistry Tute wish you Happy New Year. Though I know that it's too late to wish, but then it's never too late if you remember. So, Happy New Year to everyone. With this, we start with the strategies of planning, that what tips are there which are required for the preparation of ICSE examination for chemistry. But before that, children, something very important which I want to discuss, actually, that is the last point in my strategy list, and that is your positive auto suggestion. I know that as a student, even I have experienced this thing, that once we don't perform well, you right now you have done your given your semester one examination. Many of you must have performed very well, but some of you must have performed moderate, not so well. Now, in that case, if you have not performed so well, then the negative vibes start working in our mind, and the negative vibe says that fine, now we cannot do anything. I can't do it. I can't take so much of stress. My head is splitting. I did so much of hard work, but then in reward, I didn't get anything. So instead of thinking something negative, we should switch over to positive auto suggestion, which says, yes, I can do it. I will do it. I will surely do it for myself and prove myself. You are getting a second chance as semester two. Whatever mistakes you have done in semester one, you can very well make up in semester two examination. Now, I'm just sharing the screen with you, with which we will share certain points. Let's see. So here it goes. First is your mode. Now, what do you understand here by mode? Mode means that we are discussing about the online or offline examination. 99% it will be an offline examination, as the board has earlier declared. 1% might be online at places where if the COVID conditions still prevail in the same manner, the cases increase. Otherwise, we will be having an offline examination. And if we are having an online examination, by now to our as students, as mentors, we all are well versed with the format of online examination. We can excel. That's not a big deal. Offline examination, we need to concentrate. Please remember, this will be your subjective examination where you have to write. So you cannot miss upon the key points, the important points. For that, planning is required. Planning means if I say a timetable is required. If I'm discussing about chemistry, that doesn't mean that you have chemistry only as a subject. You have got other subjects also which you need to prepare. So seeing how much time you are getting from the day, plan yourself, divide your time, make a timetable for every subject, and start learning and revising. That will help you. If I talk about chemistry, then syllabus analysis, already the council has uploaded on its portal the semester 1 and semester 2 50% syllabus each. Now, if we talk about the syllabus part, then here it is there on my screen. Your semester 2 says 40 marks paper. It will be your metallurgy, complete unit, study of compounds, complete unit, organic chemistry, complete unit. Now, complete unit here means the reduced syllabus of 2022, which has been uploaded on the council portal. You can always go through that. And as per that, you have to prepare these chapters. If I talk about metallurgy, we have got various points which we need to remember once we are saying metallurgy, like the properties of metals and non-metals. Then what are the general process of performing metallurgy? There are certain technical words like mineral, ore, gangue particles, slag. These are the technical words which are used in the process of metallurgy, so we should be knowing the definitions. Then aluminium is the metal which we need to do in detail, so we should know at least the entire flow chart. We can always cut short and write all our key points in the form of a roadmap or a flow chart, which will always be very, very helpful. Then comes your alloys, their uses, which we should be knowing. Study of compounds, we have got HCl, we have got ammonia, we have got H2SO4, we have got nitric acid. Lab preparation, manufacture process, chemical properties, physical properties, observations wherever the properties have got certain observation which we can visualize in the form of the precipitate or in the form of a colored solution or any gas with a particular odor is getting evolved. All that is very, very important. Fountain experiment for HCl and ammonia, that is very, very important, which shows, justifies the solubility of ammonia and HCl in water. Then comes the chemical test of these compounds, which are also very important. Observation questions, maximum have always covered this chapter, study of compounds in ICSE. Organic chemistry, if I talk about IUPAC nomenclature, very important. The flow chart of aliphatic with respect to alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alkyl groups, that is something very, very important. Then comes isomerism. Chain isomerism is only there in our syllabus for class 10th, which covers your alkanes, butane and pentane as an example, which we can always practice. Then comes your alkanes, alkenes and alkynes individually, where we need to do their lab preparation and various other preparations which are quoted in our syllabus. Apart from that, the physical properties and the chemical properties are very, very important. There are certain different mechanisms which are used for alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Alkanes have got single covalent bond, so they are the saturated hydrocarbons. So we follow the substitution reaction mechanism. Similarly, your alkenes and alkynes show the multiple bond formation. They have got the double bond and a triple bond, at least one each in the carbon chain. Therefore, they are described as alkenes and alkynes respectively. So they follow the addition reaction mechanism. So all this is very, very important. So the subject analysis, we cannot afford to forget. Now, once we are talking about the subject analysis, children, then this is also a very important feature, the deadline for recapitulation. We cannot always just store everything inside. If we are if we are keen of input, then we should have an output also. Output here means that whatever we are learning, we are revising. If I say somewhere 15th March, if I say the board examinations might start, then we might keep our deadline till 10th of March. After that, as many number of days are left, that is our gift from the council. Once they schedule a timetable, those number of days we can do the additional revision. Already the council has uploaded the specimen paper for ICSE chemistry and ISC chemistry. In a day or two, I will be uploading the videos also for this solution, as I have done for semester 1. It will be done for semester 2 also. So the deadline for recapitulation is very, very important. Revision is very, very important. And that can always be done by solving as many question papers we get. You can solve your consul specimen papers. Now, this will be a subjective exam where we will get a benefit of step marking. So when we are getting a benefit of step marking, we should not afford to lose any key point. And for that, voraciously, we need to revise our syllabus. Learning and revision will come, confidence will come by solving as many papers as possible. Solve the board questions of the previous year's board papers. It will give you an idea. Then positive auto suggestions, which I have already discussed in the beginning. That is something, children, very, very important. We should have a positive vibe that yes, we can do it. Everything comes up planning. I always believe in one statement, that we need to be the master of our minutes. If we are not planning ourselves, if we are just thinking that okay, today if it is not done, then tomorrow we will do, day after tomorrow we will do, we will never be able to succeed in our life. The time management is very, very important for getting the things done. So all the best for the upcoming semester 2 examination. I hope this video will help you for preparing semester 2 examination, though now I will be uploading in a day or two, as I said, the specimen papers and thereafter the notes of the various topics. So stay safe and stay tuned with Chemistry Tube channel. Please like my channel, subscribe it. I have already shared the Twitter account, the Instagram link, and the Facebook page with you all. Please like, please follow so that you are updated with the current strategies, with the current papers, solutions, notes related to the chemistry subject, whether it is ICSE or ISC. Thank you.